Welcome to Sean's Kitchen. Aloo Tikki is one of the most popular snacks which is sought for all across India, and especially during this lockdown, I do understand on how most of you all might be craving it. Hence, I request you all to do try out this recipe and let me know how it comes out. Well, for today's recipe, here I've taken 4 boiled potatoes which I've refrigerated for about 5 hours to remove all the moisture from these potatoes. For the very first step, here I'm going to mash all 4 of these potatoes. As you can see here, I've now mashed all 4 of these potatoes. To that I'm now going to add 3/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder or amchur, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and lastly 2 chopped green chillies. After adding all these ingredients, I'm then going to mix this really well with the potatoes. I'm going to mix this along with the potatoes until the time it binds along with each other. As you can see here, it is bound really nicely. I'm then going to break these into smaller pieces and take some oil and place it in my palm, and then first shape this in the size of a ball, and then lastly shape it in the size of a tikki. After keeping all of them ready, I'm then going to take a pan, and to that I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm then going to place the tikkis which were just made earlier. After adding all of the pieces, I'm then going to fry this for a period of 4 minutes until the time one side of it has cooked properly and has turned to a golden brownish color. After one side of it is cooked properly, I'm then going to flip it and cook it on another side for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can then remove it and place it aside on a kitchen towel. You can then switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe to my channel, but rather I'm going to ask you to do try out this recipe, and if it does come out good, then come back to this video, like it, and then subscribe to my channel.